friends, I'm Jody. Welcome back to This Beaded Life. If you're new here, welcome. So happy to have you here. Today we are unboxing Potomac beads. It's the treasure bead box for the month of January. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys. It's so cool that it's like the end of the year and now we're like opening brand new boxes, brand new opportunities, just like life, right? Kind of. So here's to 2025 coming soon, right around the corner, only a couple days away. And let's get going into this box. Let's meet at the table up right there. Okay, so January's Potomac beads, treasure bead box is Fireside Warmth. So that sounds really, really nice. So imagine a rustic cabin nestled among towering pines. It's soft golden light glowing through the frosty windows. Rich bronze and brass tones featured in round duos, check rounds, and metal findings are the backdrop for this color palette. The verdant green of a cornier forest is represented by check glass daggers and gemstones, crystals, disc duos, and super duos in the warm tones of a crackling fire on a crisp winter evening, and a bit of warmth. Escape into the tranquility of a snow-covered forest with this warm and earthy palette. All right, guys, let's get into this. All right, so the first bag I'm grabbing here are some super duos, opaque red Picasso. They're 2.5 by 5 millimeters. Let's get this opened. Oh, there we go. Oh, a couple more. Well, we can leave those in the box. Looks like there's one that didn't quite make it. Gonna have that from time to time, right? So let me grab out a head pin and let's take a look at these super duos. These are red with Picasso finish and they are really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. All right, let's put those right here. I love using my little palette tray every now and then just to kind of, you know, change it up a little bit, make it a little different. You know, it's kind of nice. Let me bring you in just a little bit closer, maybe. There we go. All right. Next one I grabbed is some check glass nuggets in olivine Picasso. These are part of the treasure. All right. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I have a super duo stuck in my finger. All right, so these are really cute nugget beads. I like these. Look how cool these are. And they're in that beautiful green. You know, that's such a lovely green. And then with the Picasso finish on top of it, it just makes it that much better. Okay, what do we have next? We have some check glass star beads. And these are in a really lovely champagne or peach color. Very pretty. These look to be about, oh, probably about like around a 10 millimeter star. Just gorgeous beads. Oh, these are cute. We have some little charms. They're like little, they're Athena cast, and they are little fish charms. These are cute. Look at how cute those are. Put those in the middle there. We have some fire agate faceted round beads in peridot, and this is a 15-inch strand of these adorable little beautiful gemstones. Those are gorgeous. Look at the facets on those, you guys. Very sparkly. Let's put them here. And then we have some check daggers, and these are a pack of 20. And they are in that beautiful green as well. Nice transparency. See if I can get a couple on my head pin here so you can see them. Oh, they're in different sizes. Oh, I like that. So you have like a smaller size and a larger size. Look at that, guys. That's cool. That's really cool. I like that. So we have some of those. Then we have some check faceted rounds, 16 millimeter in crystal yellow. Ooh, these are beautiful. And they're very, very pale yellow. Like this one is the deepest one. All three are a little bit different, but these are gorgeous. Check out the sparkle on that. Isn't that beautiful? So get 3 of those. All right, then we have some round duo beads in jet bronze. You get a pack of 75 or about 75, and they are 5 millimeters. All right, grab my head pin here. All right, and they are double hole, so they have the 2 duos, the 2 holes right here. And these are really cool. I love that bronze color. Put those right here. Right next to our beautiful gold ones. All right, then we have some disc duos in white champagne luster, 6 millimeter. These are in a pack of 50. Oh, I love the color of these, you guys. Check these out. Very, very pretty. Let's put those right here. Then we have some cool stuff here. So we have Athena Cast Micro Spacer bead links in antique brass. Looks like there's like an extra little thing there too. Hold on one second here. Okay, so these are super cool. These are little links that you put little rhinestones in. I don't know if you can see that very well, but those are so cool. But then I got like a little horseshoe in here, and I don't know if that was meant to be in there, but that's cute. Let's put this right here. Oh, and then look, we have some crystals, catechons in chili, and you get 10 of them. So those are, I bet, 4 are little links. Ooh, these have that like amber look to them. Really, really pretty. Oh, I'm excited about that. Just stick those right there in the middle. And then we have some Perfect Form Endless Rings, 20 millimeter premium antique brass plating. They're 20 milliliter and you get a pack of 5. So these are not open at all. Very gorgeous. Oh, I love these. I'm seeing some really cool things that we can do with some of the stuff here. All right, then we have some seed beads in metallic brown iris. I'm not going to pop it open, but these are 11O. We have some ancient check glass round beads in ancient gold, 3 millimeter, pack of 100. I love these because they have like that pink, the gold, all that beautiful warmth, all like rolled into one bead. Look at all that. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. Let's put them right here. Look at how gorgeous this is, you guys. This is really, really gorgeous. And we have, this one is like really jam-packed this month, you guys. There's a lot of stuff in here. And we have check glass bead 4 millimeter in garnet. This is just a really beautiful red check glass druck. Very pretty. It's such a nice deep red. Let's put them right here. Oh, these are gorgeous. Now we have some 2mm Potomac crystal bicone beads in Topaz AB. Let's check these out. Oh my goodness. Would you look at those? Wow. Those are a beauty. Let's put them here. Okay, and then we have some Potomac crystal bicones, 2mm, and these are some pinch beads. These are really, really pretty. Check glass pinch beads. I love those. And you need some like good clear to go with all this. Wow, you guys, this is really quite the box this month. I love this. This is gorgeous. I'm going to take a little bit of time and try to think about what I want to put together. And yeah, I don't know. Actually, maybe I'll just leave it sit like this for a second, just mull it over, get my little organizational stuff together. And then when we come back, we'll talk about the different things here and see what route we're going to want to go. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I think I might have an idea. I grabbed a piece of my scrap wire here that was all like damaged and bent up and everything. And I'm thinking that we could do something really cool. Like I'm thinking along like the bottom half of a necklace to use these duo discs and like this. Just like that, and have like our check glass daggers hanging in between the bottom thread and having some other beads by it. Maybe we could even use like a seed bead to put between here and here so they kind of hang a little bit lower. I'm thinking that we could do like kind of like a double strand here. So I think we're going to try to make that work. So this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to grab the things that I would like to use. So first let's grab the rest of these daggers, but we're going to separate them out by length here, okay? So we have longer ones and shorter ones. Oh, I hear my cat wanting in. Let me let him in real quick. Those are all short. Come on in, Cheeto. Come on, baby. Good boy. You're a good kitty. You're a good kitty. I'm so sorry, you guys. Okay, so here's another longer one. There's another longer one. And that one. So we have 6. Excuse me. 6 of the longer ones. We've got a bunch of the shorter ones. So we're definitely going to use those. These, we're definitely going to use the crystal bicone beads. So I'm going to dump the rest of those in there and pick these up. So not only is my husband doing all the laundry today, which is a lot because it was the holidays and we haven't washed any clothes, and he's actually making dinner tonight. So he's giving me all my time I need to do the things that I want to do, which is really lovely of him. All right, so we have these. Those are beautiful. We're going to use these. So let me just toss them in the tray here. Okay, we have those. I think also we're going to want these seed beads. So I'm just going to pop this open. Oh, man, they fill these up. They fill these up, and we're just going to dump them right in here. Okay, and I'll save my tube because we'll need that. And then going up the side of the necklace, I think we're going to want to use these. So let me, oh, I have more of these. I don't know how many of these we'll actually need. Probably won't need the entire bag, but we're going to grab them just in case. And then let me go ahead and grab this one. There's just a little white bead in there. Move him up to the side. And we may or may not use some chain or something to finish off our piece. So now that we have decided what we want to use, I'm not bringing any of the reds in. We're going to stick with the greens and the golds and the cream color. And that beautiful topaz-y color. So this is what we have so far. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'll put the rest of this stuff away when we have our seed beads. And then I will be right back and we'll get started to make it. I'll grab all the other things that we need to make this happen too. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, guys, I went into my stash and I found some stuff. So I have the Bead & Lawn 7-strand bead stringing wire in bronze. It's 0.08 inches around, or it is 0.46 millimeters, and my spool is empty. So, but I have 2 strands at 25.5 inches long. I have a couple clamshell connectors. I have this really cute little toggle that we're going to use for the back of our necklace. And I have a couple crimp tubes that we're going to use as well. Did not grab any jump rings yet. I should have grabbed those, which I can do that real quick here. We're going to grab my little mix that I have from sitting in my drawer here. So we have that. All right, so now this is going to be a little strange what we're going to do here. So what my plan is, this is the center. We're going to use the center of our bead stringing wire here. And what we're going to do is clamp the one end like somewhere down by the middle here, just so we can kind of keep it straight. And this is something I have not practiced doing, but we're going to give it a shot. All right, so let's see. So my first thought is to put these little discs on the top strand. Actually, that's not going to work out if I have those clamped together. So we'll get it all pulled together. It'll be fine. All right, so that'll be on the top strand. And it'll also be going through the bottom strand. All right, so they're together like this. Okay, so this is what we have. And then on the top strand, we're going to take one of our little topaz colored bicones and string that on. And that one's going on the top. And then on the bottom, we're going to take a seed bead, one of our larger daggers, and a seed bead. Okay. And then it looks like maybe I wonder, let's see if that'll kind of scrunch together. We're kind of designing this on the fly, guys. So let's put our disc on. Okay, and let's see how this works out for us. Because I kind of want it to be wondering if I should do I feel like we're going to need the seed beads, but maybe we're going to need seed beads here too. All right, so once we figure out how this formula is going to work, then I think we can get it to work out. It's just a matter of trial and error, right? I'm not a scientist. I'm creating a recipe from scratch. So let's do our seed beads. Okay, and then let's try our little disc again. There we go. Like so. Once we get this going, then we'll be able to keep it together. Okay, yep, that works just like that. That's what we'll end up with. And I think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. All right, so this is gonna be more of like a shorter style necklace. And I think that's what'll make it hang properly. So let's go ahead and find our top strand, which we have it right here. Whoop, doing the flips. We want to keep that straight. There we go, there's our top. So let's go ahead and do a couple of these. Okay, and then we'll feed on one of these. And let's do a couple more. Another one. All right, and let's do a few for the bottom. So now for the bottom, we need a seed bead. A large dagger.
You know where that hamburger went?
It's in the refrigerator.
Okay. It isn't.
Hold on, you guys. I have to go help my husband find something in the refrigerator. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. All right, so we're gonna make sure that we have this all lined up because that's gonna be important, right? To have it all lined up. And then let's feed this thread through here, our disc. And we're not gonna do this all the way up, okay? We're not, because that would be just too much. But I figured we could do 3 of the large ones and then like one of each, one on each side of the smaller ones. So let's do another dagger. Okay, just like that. And then we can grab both of our strands. Let's put our 2-hole disc bead on. There we go. That looks cute. Really, really cute. All right, and now let's grab a couple of the small ones. We're going to use one for each side. And I'll put the large ones aside for now and the small ones aside for now. All right, so let's do our seed bead. Let's do our little topaz bead. And our seed bead. And then let's do our seed bead, our smaller dagger, and our seed bead. Whoops, I just lost that one. Okay, just like that. Put our 2-hole bead on. Make sure I have my wires going the right way here. There we go. Let's pull that all together nice. Oh, I like that. I really, really like that a lot. Okay, now we can do our seed bead, our topaz little bead, and our seed bead. Seed bead. There we go. Seed bead going down. There it goes. All right. So now we have that, and let's put our 2-hole disc bead on this side. Kind of feel like I want to do more daggers, like at least another one on each side. No, maybe not. I think we're okay. All right, so we don't need more daggers. So now what I want to do is I want to probably continue to use more of these, but incorporate some of this other stuff too. So let's take a peek and see what we can do with this. So we're not going to put a bunch of the discs on like right by each other. So we'll probably do like a few like smaller beads together. Maybe I should bring in some of those brown round ones. All right, so let's get this figured out. So I think what I would like to do is maybe do like a couple seed beads. Let's do 2 seed beads. Let's do one of these really pretty crystals. Let's do one of these beautiful spacers. Let's do another crystal. And then 2 more seed beads. There we go. Just like that. And then on the bottom, we can do the same. So this is going to take us a little bit, but I just want to show you what we're going to do. And then I can do some on my own. And then we can meet back here. All right. One of these. One of these. Another one of those. And then 2 more seed beads. This 1 and 2. All right, so now that we have that, you know, I think maybe I might want to grab some of those brown ones. Bronze. Let's grab some and see what we think. Just gonna grab a few just to see if we like them. And if we do, then awesome. If not, that's fine too. So let's do the disc first. Okay, put that on. Oh, come on. And then let's put on, I think we'll need a couple seed beads. So probably 2 on each strand. I keep getting my cord caught on my shirt. Oh my goodness. All right. And 2 seed beads. There we go. And then let's try one of those bronze ones. Oh, I like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is going to be so cute. All right, so we know what we're doing now. We got it figured out. This is going to be really, really cute. All right, and then we can go back and do 2 more seed beads and another one of these. Okay. Yeah, this is going to take some time. So I'm going to basically show you what we have going on, and I'll do some on my own and then come back and we'll do some more together. Just so you don't have to sit here and watch me do the same thing over and over again. So we'll go a little bit further on here, just like so. There we go. All right, and then when we are done with these, then we're going to do this little pattern again, okay? So just this little pattern here. So let's grab our bottom and let's do our 2 seed beads. Oh, come on. 1, nope. 1, nope. 1 and 2. There we go. Goodness gracious. And then our little crystal. This little guy. Our little crystal. And then 2 more seed beads. One and 2. There we go. And the same as up here. There we go. And 2 more seed beads. One and 2. Goodness. All right, so we have that. Now, what we're going to do is just continue the same pattern. So the next I'm going to do a cream one, a brown one, a cream one with the seed beads in between. So I'm going to continue on, you guys, and do some of this beading myself, and then I will be back and we'll finish up a little bit more beading and finish up the necklace. Okay, you guys, I finished one side, and this is what it looks like. And I finished it up here with our clamshell. And I think it looks really, really pretty. This would make an amazing bracelet too, don't you think? Like maybe, I think I'll have some left over. Maybe I can make a really pretty bracelet too to go with it eventually. All right, so let's finish this side together. And I had a little break in between. I had dinner, had spaghetti and meatballs with garlic bread. Gotta have the garlic bread, love the garlic bread. All right, so next in our pattern, we need one of these cream colored beads. And we'll just string that on both strands here. Just like so. And then, as you can see, after the little segments of the small beads, I do a cream, 2 seed beads, a brown, 2 seed beads, and another cream colored one. So let's get our seed beads on. Okay. And then our bronze bead. This has been a little bit of work, but I think it's well worth it. It's going to turn out really, really pretty. And it's going to be very unique, which I love. I love very unique jewelry. There we go. And then we need our cream colored 2-hole disc. All right, now we're doing all the little beads here. So we have 1 and 2, one of these, one of these, and there we go. And do the same thing with this one. Oops, one too many. All right, so now we have those. Then we can do our cream colored bead. I've had Lucy in here with me pretty much the whole afternoon. She has just been loving hanging out in here with me. And I think when I'm done with this one, that'll be 3 boxes I got through today. And I will call it the end of my day. And I will sit and watch a show with my hubby and enjoy some quiet time. There we go. One and two. One and two. And then we do all of our small ones. Let's see where we're at here. So this is where we are. So we still have a little ways to go. Looks like we have 2 small segments and then 1 of the cream, brown, and cream. So we're getting close. We're getting really, really close here. There we go. All right. Then we'll do our cream bead. Oops. Here we go. And we are getting there, you guys. We are so close to being done with this necklace. And then I'll try it on for you so you can see what it looks like on. And that'll be it. I'll clean up my mess. Tomorrow I am spending my day cleaning up my bead room. I have about 2 months worth of purchases that I have yet to put fully away. I've used part of the stuff, but I haven't put anything away. It's just been, you know, it gets crazy. I think I hear Marmalade at the door. Come on in, Marms. Come on. All right, I'm back. And there we go. All right, so this side is done. And let's do this one. There we go. All right, let's just make sure this measures up correctly here. Oh yeah, we are good. And then on this side, I had taken one of these beads and put them over both strands just to try to hold it together. Took a little finagling, but I got it. What you doing, Marmalade? Can you wait a minute? I'll let you back out. All right, so then we have that one on. Okay, so that's perfect. Then we need our clamshell. I'm gonna put that on here. I'm gonna take our crimp tube and drop that over top of both strands. Let it fall right into that clam. Just make sure both strands are in there. And then you're going to take your pliers and you're just going to mash down that crimp. Like just squeeze it together. And that's how we're going to close that off. And once you know it's in there, you can tug on it, make sure it's not going anywhere. Get down in there and trim off this wire. And then you can close up your clamshell. All right, and then let's put our toggle on. Hold on a minute, Marms. Mom is almost done. So we need a couple. I think we can get away with really little ones here. Let's try these. Hey, Marmalade, what are you doing, buddy? Oh, I know. All of my cats are extremely talky. They love to talk. They tell me everything that is going on in their lives, and it's pretty awesome. Hold on a minute, Marms. I'll do it in a minute. Pick it up. There we go. Oh yeah, the little ones work out just perfect. Oops. Unless, of course, you have butterfingers like me today. It's probably garlic bread fingers. I'm just kidding. I washed my hands after dinner. Just sounded good at the time. All right, let's try this again. I'm gonna hang on to it. I hear you, buddy. I know. It's a tough little jump ring here. Goodness gracious. Tough little guy. All right. At least we know it's nice and strong, right? Okay, let's open this one up. And put that on. I know. All right, guys, here it is. I think it turned out so cute. It's really, really pretty. I love it. So here it is, and then I'm going to go ahead and try that on for you, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here it is. It's something that's pretty simple. I love the way it turned out. I think it turned out really, really cute, and it sits kind of cool. I don't know, I really like it. And this is one of those things that you could wear alone, or you could layer it with some things too, some other necklaces. but I think it turned out really cute. I hope you guys like this one. I had a lot of fun making it. I don't do much with 2-hole beads, so I hope you enjoyed my little experiment. And I'm sending you all my love. I'm going to take the rest of the night off, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.